Hi everyone, welcome! So for today's video, we will be sharing to you guys our analysis regarding the financial information provided by the Energy Vending Incorporated. Also, we will be showing you the step-to-step guide on how we came up with our journal entries. So, before anything else, let me introduce myself. I am Daphnia Marticio, the team leader of Group 1 and one of the presenters and also the video editor of the team. I have with me my group mates, and one of them is Feby Baconga, and she's one of the solvers and presenter of our team, focusing on miscellaneous and adjusting journal entries. We also have Christopher Santiago, who is also one of our solvers and presenters, focusing on inventories and purchases. Lastly, to complete our team, we have Giselle Iris Toledo, who is also a solver and presenter of our group. So I hope you guys will listen until the very end and to learn something about it. So, let's start. With a personal investment of $300,000, Meredith Parent Incorporated, Energy Vending Inc., and Windsor, Ontario on September 1, 2006. Out of frustration with vending operators that only sold high-calorie, high-fat, and high-carbohydrate foods. After some preliminary research, Parent learned that a U.S. company selling a low-calorie, energy-boosting, individually wrapped snack called Vigor that had growing US sales. Parent decided to import and sell this product through vending machines placed in malls, on university and high school campuses, and in fitness facilities. With Energy's first year balance sheet in hand, Parent was anxious to record all activities for the 2008 fiscal year to determine Energy's financial success.